news. Cassper Nyovest is about to become a father. The rapper, whose real name is Fulo, confirmed the news through his Twitter feed, saying the poster of his upcoming album is the actual scan of the unborn. The mother of his child is said to be Thobeka Majozi. She too took to Instagram to announce the news, quoting a scene from the popular film, Lion King. She wrote, "Look inside yourself, Simba, you are more than what you have become, you must take your place in the circle of life. Remember who you are, remember, you are my son and the one true king. Mufasa, the Lion King." To which Cassper, who also refers to himself as King Mufasa, Simba's father, responded, "Thank you." The couple have never confirmed their relationship, but have been dating since 2018. Majozi is popular as an influencer on social media. She previously joked that she would welcome it if he filled up her belly, like he fills up concert venues. "Then fill up Beck's belly, 2020 is next, hey," she said at the time. His new album will drop on September the 11th.